Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to create a mesmerizing sunset painting of the wavy beach scene. This is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial, so grab your brush and let's dive in. We are starting with some light blue and dark cloud to capture the mode of the dramatic sunset. For the sky, I will blend ultramarine blue, white to create a beautiful gradient. Let's start by brushing from the top to down. Make sure to blend gently where the blue meets with white to achieve the soft transition. Now let's add those dark cloud to create contrast. I'm using a mix of ultramarine blue and touch of black and little bit of orange, red and yellow. So as you can see, it looks stunning. So I add some little bit of white and the dark colors like little bit of gray and ultramarine blue. So now moving to the sea, I use ultramarine blue and showing the dark colors of rocks. It looks stunning, and I use white for the waves crashing against the rocks. I'm using white paint and add a fan brush. Gently flick the brush upward to create the spray of the water. These small details really brings the painting to the life. The rocks look so beautiful. For the final touch, I am adding some highlights to the water using a flat brush and white paint. This highlight makes the wavy look powerful and dynamic as they roll towards the shore. And moving to the left side of the painting, and now let's add the palm trees to the left side of the painting. I'm starting with the fan brush and the dark brown paint and using green for the palm trees leaves. So, and there you have it, a beautiful sunset painting of wavy beach. I hope you enjoy this scene with me. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more painting tutorials.